बैक टू द इंग्लिश वाली चैनल। यदि आपको भी मेरा कंटेंट पसंद आता हो तो प्लीज लाइक सब्सक्राइब द इंग्लिश वाली चैनल। ओके, सो आई एम गोना स्पीक गाइड। वुड यू लाइक टू स्पीक हर्ट एंड साउल इंग्लिश? Okay, firstly I'm gonna speak what is mean of hurt and soul. Hurt and soul means पूरे मन से. So now I'm gonna speak what is mean of that and that how to speak English hurt and soul. So it is depend over practice. When you will do practice, in the you will do practice. So by degrees you will speak hurt and soul English. Here is no doubt. So I wanna speak one thing now that practice is your key. When you will do practice. We wanna speak that the more you will do practice, the more. You will learn English, that how to speak hurt and sound English. So I wanna speak one thing now that when you will think about yourself that yeah I am null and void. Null and void means निष्प्रभावी, जिसका कोई प्रभाव ना हो. So I'm gonna speak that when you will feel that yeah I am null and void in front of anyone. So after that you'll have to feel that I am enough for myself, because whatever I have skill, it is not all cup of tea that they can get very easily. So you should understand that what is your best skills, what is your good skills, that how to enhance means बढ़ाना या उसको अच्छा करना. So how to enhance, because when you will enhance your skills, so after that you will get that no one will be wipe out your career, no one will be wipe out your profession, and no one will be wipe out yourself, because it is not them cup of tea, because you have also good skill, best skill. Because when you will give something time for the sake of enhancing your English, any hobby, whatever you like. So after that you should know now that when you will do practice, so after that you will get hot water means parishani. So you will get hot water. So you'll have to know, and you should think that when I will not do anything, so after that what will be my career, and where will I go without any skills, where will I go without any work. So after that you will get one answer that I must learn something, whatever I like, because whatever you are thinking about yourself, that I need luxury life, I need money, I need car, I need my happiness. So after that your need will demand something best, something better version, like your success is your key. And without hobby, yeah, without goal, yeah, without achievement, something in your life, not something achievements means that small achievements, not like government exam. You can crack government exam, you can get any job, not all cup of tea. When you will do something extraordinary work, so after that you will get that I can do hurt and sound. I can do all things hurt and sound. So yeah, I wanna speak one line. It is important for yourself, for your growthness, for your career. How to enhance yourself, because it is not one day work. It is not night work. When you will do practice a lot of you, you will have to. You'll have to do hard work frequently, without any negligence. So after that you will get one day whatever you wanna get in your life, with open arms, with heart and soul. Because when you will learn something, after that you will get hot water, you will get pain. But that time you will think about yourself that I must leave this work, because I am getting pain. But pain is learned something in your life, that how to enhance yourself, how to improve yourself. Without pain you cannot get ahead. So that's why I wanna speak one line. When you will feel that I have no skill, I have no work, so you should enhance yourself by degrees, frequently. Because without goal, without hobby, really you are also null and void, like me. Right now I have no skills, but I am speaking something English. But yeah, I can speak something wrong, but at least I am trying. But you are not trying, it is your fault. So you should try, because you know that whatever you are doing, do with open arms, with heart and soul. But that what is your hobby, that where is your happiness, that right now whatever I am speaking, it is my happiness. And that yeah, I love camera. I love creating video, due to I am creating video because it is my hobby. And right now I am following. And that when I will follow, after that I will get not something. Yeah, I will not get whatever I like. Yeah, I wanna get. But I will get happiness, I will get sukoon, I will get enjoyments, because I can't express with open arms, with heart and soul. Because right now whatever I am feeling, I am really I cannot say that what is my happiness, what is vision of my happiness. And that how to control my happiness. Because right now whatever I am creating, it is my hobby, and I accustomed to follow my hobby. Like you are getting success, yeah, you are not getting success, here is no matter. Here is only one matter, that what is your skills and what is your hobby, that how to get your happiness. So right now it is a part of my happiness. Because when I create video, after that I get happiness, because it is my daily not work, it is my hobby. And that I will, when I don't create any video, so after that I get mental stress, that today I'm not doing whatever, I'm not doing whatever I like. So yeah, I when I speak that all thing will be good when you will think about yourself. And that yeah, I wanna speak one thing, when you wanna learn English, so after that you should learn English video. You should not learn, you should watch English video. You should speak something during the listening English phrases, English word. So after that you'll have to do whatever you are watching. So yeah, yeah, I wanna speak one thing, that I don't watch any English video, I don't watch any subtitle, yeah, any podcast. Yeah, we can speak. Really, I don't read. It is you are feeling, because right now I am speaking something wrong. Right now you can feel whatever I am speaking. But yeah, but it is my hobby, due to I am following. And that yeah, I when I speak that that you should watch something video. Because it is not my experience. I have felt by my student, that when you will read English book, English content, so after that your English will be improved by degrees, with heart and soul. So yes, I when I speak, you should learn English with heart and soul. And I will meet you next video. Bye, take care.